You are fired. This is the famous dialogue used by Donald Trump in the show which was been launched by NBC for the show name as The Apprentice, where Donald Trump played a major role. Now he's a TV personality. He is also run a campaign as a president for making America great again. You would be knowing him as a controversial personality, or you would be knowing him that like he always picking up some or the other fight. But as a brand, as a Donald Trump as a brand, what is his number one secret? Why the brand name Trump, and what is the number one strategy behind the name Trump as a brand? Now when you hear about a brand named Trump, what comes into your mind? Because as a Trump as a brand, it's all about excellence, it's all about luxuries, it's all about high standard, it's all about the best of the best. And you might also have been seen Trump as a brand, like Trump steaks, Trump wine, Trump real estate is one of the major and big brands when it comes to Trump. And there are many, and in the clothing line as well, like you would be seeing Trump as a brand. So there are so many different angles of the name Trump as a brand. Now what is the real strategy? What is the real secret behind the name brand of the name as a Trump as a brand? Now you see, in one of the interview, Donald Trump was being asked that what is your real secret? What is that strategy? Why the name Trump behind the brand? Okay. And this is what he said. The name Trump has really created a premium value. And when you have your name as a brand, you do whatever it takes to protect that particular reputation of your as a brand compared to any other name which is not that emotionally attached, and you will not do anything to protect that particular reputation. So when you have your name as your brand, you will do whatever it takes to protect your reputation. And that is what Donald Trump has said. Now if you see comment below what is your point of view as the Donald Trump as a person, what do you think about him, comment below. And what is your views about Trump as a brand, or maybe him as a person? Because this is the number one strategy why people always use their name as a brand. Because if you use your name as a brand, you will do whatever it takes to protect your name as a brand. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please press like button, and I would love to hear your thoughts. So go ahead and comment below what is your take on this, and what would you like to share about Donald Trump? What is your thoughts and your point of view about Donald Trump? Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.